welcome back to my channel. Today has been a really kind of annoying day because I was supposed to film a mini tutorial for my Instagram, but by the time I finished doing my eye and the rest of my face, it was dark outside and the lighting was crap. And basically I had no luck because I've downloaded a few apps and they're all a pile of shit. So it looks like I'm gonna have to grab some stuff from here and just put it on the gram later on, something like that. So I've created this look here. Excuse the under eye powder. Let me just focus again. Created this eye look. There's a bit of gold in the eye, as you can see. I really enjoyed creating this look actually because I didn't think it would turn out this good. When I'm in my makeup room and I do a makeup, it doesn't come out, it doesn't look nice to me. But when I go into another room, it looks a lot better. I don't know why. The palette that I used was none other than the Anastasia one, which I love. And also I'm trying out new brushes. They're brand new. Obviously I use this for the eye, but they are none other than the Royal and Lagnical. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using, and my nicely painted nails for one. Excuse this thumbnail, but anyway, the first colour that this is what it looks like. So I'm picking up raw sienna and I'm using the crease brush. It just says crease on there, there's no number for it. Just picking some up and just placing it on the top, dragging it inwards. Just place it there. I'm kind of taking it a bit up. Just use my overgrown brows. I'm just kind of like going circular motions until you're happy with how it looks. And then I'm going to be picking up, this is the angle shader brush, and I'm picking up the colour Real Girl. I think that's how it's pronounced. And these shades, they're so pigmented that when I pick them up, there's a lot coming on the brush and I don't need that much. And I'm just going to place it underneath. Just kind of put it on first and then place it on first and then blend it basically. I am picking a bit more up because I did put a bit of this on. By the way guys, I wanted to ask, what are your thoughts on online negativity? Like, I don't know why, I've been looking through a few pages and the amount of abuse that I see, honestly, it makes me kind of want to do jiu-jitsu moves, to be honest, on the person. But then I'm like, no Sabrina, that's not ladylike, so chill out. But I just think there's no need for it. We're all women or men, we're all humans, do you know what I mean? Like, what is the need to do such stupid stuff? I just don't understand. So then I'm picking up, this is, what's this called, the smudger brush, and I'm picking up Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna kind of just place it in the corner. First place the product on. Yeah, and I'm thinking to myself, there's just no need for all this abuse. Like, we're all humans at the end of the day, and like, don't get me wrong, if you think someone's doing something wrong, then you can advise them and stuff. But if people are just posting pictures of makeup and like what they like, or you know, what pleases them kind of thing, then who are you to kind of like judge them and stuff? It's just kind of annoying, to be honest with you. But I don't know, each to their own. But when I just lose my shit, honestly. Like, I got into an argument the other day actually, and then she apologised later because I was trying to say to her, she was basically saying to this one person that instead of buying all that makeup, why didn't you give towards charity? And I was like, really? Like, really? How do you know? Are you up her ass? Or something like that. Like, of course she must give charity. How do you know? Like, she probably gave more charity than the woman that was arguing, do you know what I mean? But it's just, people take it upon themselves to think, you know, oh, I don't know, I just find it really annoying. take some concealer. This is just a Dutty Rimmel one. When I mean Dutty, I mean it's like past its sell by date, but it's the only one that I can find right now because I'm trying to. And look up or down. I always look like that. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of take it a bit out. Okay, that looks clapped. One moment, guys. I had a problem doing my other cut crease because I wash my brushes and like they're not as thin as they were before, if that makes sense. Like before they were just molded into the shape that I wanted. Obviously they needed a clean, so I had no choice. So I'm picking up the Spectrum A13 brush and I'm dipping into Primavera. I'm just going to pat that on. I'm going to pack it on all over because the next colour that I'm going to put on is a matte one, but it goes into shimmer because this is shimmery. Then I'm going to take that pencil brush again and dip into red and just put it here and drag it a bit in. Okay, I'm using this glitter. It's silver. This glitter is really nice. Just pick a bit more up, and why not? Let that dry and keep my eyes closed. I'm using this Rimmel one because it's really matte and black basically, so try to pick this spot, but always when you take the brush out there's just so much of it. One thing that I don't like about using eyeliners is the fact that the brush is so small to colour like the wing in. But then you need a small brush please. And now this bit on the hair as well. You know, but when you don't do eyeliner in a while, it's just I'm just going to let that dry because I feel like the more I'm putting on, the more I'm going to mess it up because I just haven't done this in a while. Okay, so next thing is another thing that I don't like doing, lashes. I'm using these ones. I've used them before in my videos, you must have seen. I'm just going to put lash glue on. I'm going to let it dry a bit because I always put it on when it's really wet and it just doesn't apply as good as it does when it's tacky. These are actually reused lashes, which is why they got bits popping up, but you know what it is, I just couldn't find my other, because I'm trying to move everything around in my makeup room, it's just all a bit messed up right now. Gosh, my nails are gonna get messed up now, I just know it. You know what makes it hard is the fact that my lashes naturally just stick up. They're very curly. Then I'm going to take that brown and go over it. Just a soft brown. And then just kind of blend it. Then I'm going to take this barium gold pencil and put it inside my waterline. I have here already, if you can't. Just like so. And kind of go back in. And you know, because it's dark and I've got new lights in here, new batteries, it's kind of more annoying because it's not actually, so the eyes look really good. Next thing, blusher. Where's my brush? I've literally got a drawer open and I've just thrown everything in there, and no, I can't find anything. Where's this brush? So, oh, here it is. So I'm just going to take some blusher and give some colour to my washed out face right now. And then I'm going to go in with my favourite highlighter, which is this stunning shade here. I'm just going to move a bit back so you can see properly. The concealer that we used, by the way, it's actually Neon by L'Oreal, but I'm going to do a separate video on that. So I'm just going to use this is a highlight and glow brush by Royal and Lagnico, and I'm just going to take some of it on. I'm going to smile. I'll put it on apples on my cheeks. Why do I feel like... And then kind of drag a bit up. Because when I smile, I feel like it picks it up better. And I like that. Your choice, some people just tend to wear it the other way, but I really like it this way. And again, the other side. I'm kind of going circle motions, so it kind of blends in with my blusher, but I am going to go back on top with some blusher. Just to kind of, just so that my cheeks don't look flushed out too much. And I'm gonna do that trick in a minute. I'm gonna get some more highlighter just to put on the top of my nose and in the corners of my like that. So everyone, there's my finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Please do give it a like, subscribe, comment and share. I'm sorry about this new lighting, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.